All right, welcome back to another trade recap. And today is one of those days where honestly trading just feels like impossible. Um, Even though I know it's not. At least I hope it's not. And the reason I lost today was just, because I was dumb. There was no good reason to lose today. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I lost 400. I upped my daily. What am I trying to say? I moved the AlphaTix account got moved to Tradeovate, and daily loss limit is now 400 instead of 320. So I took a full loss today, and it was dumb. I'll just go into it. I wanted lower. I mean, we have all these lows. I don't know why I did this. We've been in the high time frame range. I don't know why I expected market open to just deliver. We didn't have any news. We didn't have anything. So I wanted lower. There's a 15-minute gap. Yesterday's pre-market trade worked out. So I was like, oh, I'll take one today. Created a range, but no. I know why today's pre-market trade didn't work out, because yesterday we had all the time frames aligning, all the ranges, all that aligning. Everything looked good. Today, the only thing that even looked remotely good was the 15-minute and the 15-minute gap. So I mean, it's just easy. I gotta wait till open. I gotta be patient, but I didn't. It'll be a good learning experience. Yeah, it just wasn't a day to take a pre-market trade. Yesterday was, because everything aligned. Today wasn't, and I forced a trade, and I got burned. I tried to short right here after the 1-minute change out of the 15-minute gap. It was good displacement. It was a good gap. If this was at a better time, a better alignment, this would be a good trade. But it was pre-market. No manipulation, no nothing, like accumulation, I guess manipulation, distribution, even though it's pretty big. Yeah. And I lost 280 on this trade, and then this is where like unexcusable comes in. Is after this I just placed a short trade before market open, and just it was just a gamble. Like there's no sense behind it. As you can see, right before market open, placed a short trade, got stopped out. We're still up on both of the accounts. 3 winning days on both of the accounts, so it's not the end of the world. Survived to see another day, which is all I can ask for. But today was not a good day. And after such a good, I think the past 2 weeks have been positive. I mean, let's look. So this doesn't count, because if I didn't full port the Lucid, don't count that. So this would be a $1,200 week and a $600 week. So we're having good weeks. $1,200 week, $600 week. And just after coming down from that high, at least it wasn't even that crazy of a high, but for me it was. And now coming down, getting the payout, coming down all the way to this, starting off the week down 400, starting off the month down 400, it makes everything seem impossible, like it's never going to work out. When I know that's not the case, and I'll keep making videos, I'll keep trading, I'll keep doing everything. And there was opportunity today. Like, if we go to the 1 hour, like this is, like I was looking for shorts and I could have got them. Price came up, manipulated this 1 hour gap right here, off open. We didn't take the range low. We had a 5-minute change right here, came up and tapped it. It'd be something like this. Stops either above there, but that's a pretty big stop. I mean, TP here, that's a 1.7. I could scale down to the 1 minute, find, the 5-minute stop is right here. We already delivered out of this gap. There's really no reason we should come back up. I could have, who knows how I would have executed if I stayed patient today. But, it could have been a winning day, and at the very worst, break even. But it wasn't. We had SMT right here, too. I don't know if I said that. Yeah, but it wasn't. Obviously not the end of the world. Let me make sure I don't have any limits or anything. Hit this button. Always hit that button. All right, so not the end of the world. Not a good day. You live and you learn. Yeah, obviously journaled. Yeah. I don't know what else to say. Hopefully I can end this week strong, because this is my last week of trading here in my home at my desk. Who knows how many days I'm going to trade next week, so hopefully I can go into my trip with, break even. I mean, not even break even. Like, I'm one trade away from positive. Yeah. I think that's it for today. I'll be back tomorrow. Let's check the news tomorrow. What do we... Oh, yeah, it was a no news Tuesday, too. Like, I don't know why. What was I doing? 8:15 and 10. So we have a decent amount of news tomorrow. Yeah. Bit of news for this week, so I'll be right back at it tomorrow.